Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Taste Testing Mr.Beer with people from Mr.Beer. I'm Robert, this is Matt.
Hello.
We're going to drink some beer today. You guys seem to enjoy the last video a lot, so we thought we'd make a bunch more. So today we're going to be tasting our Golden Ale Craft Refill. This is just standard can, no additions, no nothing. This is actually from the batch we brewed in a brewing video where we brewed our Golden Ale, so we'll see how it goes. That's a good sign always.
Our newest craft refill.
Yeah, our newest base refill.
Base, yeah.
But of course, that
awesome.
heavy. All right, so what you get in this one? A can of Golden Ale. That's what it is. Pretty basic. ABV is 5.5. IBU is 28. Your original gravity is 1.048. Final gravity 1.012. I think this is probably between this and the American Lager. If you're a first-time brewer, this is most likely one of the kits that you got where you're going to brew. Poured mine a little too strong-handed there, man.
It's okay though. It's nice to have a residual head. That means your beer was carbonated the right way, bottle conditioned the right way.
Yeah. See, I was a little unsure because when I first squeezed the bottle, it had a little squeeze to it, and I was like, oh, it's fully carbonated, but.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
On the aroma, just nice, clean, malty.
Yeah. It's not a very hoppy beer. It's just a very, a blonde ale is traditionally an easy drinking beer.
Mm-hmm.
Something that doesn't pack a lot of hops, doesn't pack a huge malt flavor. It's very well balanced.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty actually.
It's nice and clear.
I like that color too.
Yeah, it really has that golden hue to it,
yeah.
So it doesn't. The name doesn't let it down, and it's a good base beer for many recipes, I would say.
That's good.
If you wanted to just do like a single hop addition, that'll work. It's a great base beer.
What's interesting is when we tried this one like a week ago, it had a cider taste to it, and I don't get that at all. That's gone. That conditioned out.
Yeah, it's really clean.
I think my pitching temp was off.
Yeah, that's important.
It's just a clean beer.
Yeah, clean notes of kind of some honey, crackery, bready, a little bit bready in there. But really an overall nice base beer for really doing a lot of different projects.
Yeah, it's in a lot of our recipes. If you're looking for a beer that you want to share with someone, I think that's not really into beer, this might be a good one to do that, because it's very, or if they've never had a home brew and they're skeptical that you're making weird poison water in your bathtub, you can go to this.
Yeah. There's no hop bitterness.
No. Whatsoever,
so it won't scare those people who don't like hops away. It's just nice and clean and bright, and it's actually probably a good summer beer because it's so crispy.
Perfect to drink right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna finish it real quick.
Yeah, that's a dang good beer.
That was delicious. That actually came out really well.
Mm-hmm.
Man, someone knows how to brew beer. It's not me. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. It's pretty straightforward. So that was our Golden Ale Craft Refill, just the standard can by itself, brewed for 14 days. I think that's been conditioning for, I think it's 3.5 or 4 weeks now. I should have written it down, but I didn't. But I think that's about where we're sitting at. It's been chilling for about 5 days, so not too bad, but awesome beer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and keep an eye out for many more to come. Cheers.
Cheers.